Welcome to Forest Manor Dental. Let me give you a tour of our beautiful dental office. Please come on in. We've drawn inspiration from nature to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere, one that doesn't feel like your typical dental office. Oh hi, Kadeen. Let me show you around. First, here's our bathroom and our consult room. This is where we have our meetings. We also have a cute coffee bar and a refreshment fridge. Feel free to enjoy a sugar-free beverage. Now, let's take a look at the clinical side. This is our X-ray room where we take panoramic X-rays for a comprehensive view of your oral health. And here's our well-organized storage area. Oh hi ladies! Let's take a closer look at one of the dental suites. Our clinic is equipped with 6 identical dental suites, each carefully designed for your care. Here's our pride and joy, the iTero 3D Oral Health Scanner, which allow us to monitor changes in your teeth annually. Lastly, here's our dental supply tip-out bins and the sterilization room, where we ensure all instruments are perfectly sterilized. That's the end of your tour. We're looking forward to seeing you at Forest Manor Dental soon. Bye guys!